Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. So you want an intro? Here's an intro. Somebody watching this video is going to win their choice of one of these two bikes. Stick around and find out how. Alright guys, so let's get real. Here's the issue. I'm running out of space and I don't have a place to put bikes anymore. I've been putting motorcycles on my back porch and I don't like that. I mean, it's out of the weather, but it's not fully out of the weather, and you know, it's time to make some room. I've got a few other projects I've got to build. I've got all this traveling I've been doing, so I need to make up for lost time and lost money, and I figured what better way to do it than to give you guys, somebody watching this video, the opportunity to win either the Rainmaker or Hollywood Run. Now the decision of which motorcycle I can't make. Man, Hollywood Run, amazing motorcycle. David Mann replica from his very first painting in 1969 titled Hollywood Run. And then you have this amazing 1952 Triumph Thunderbird that is original paint, numbers matching, super cool. I couldn't possibly fathom having to choose which one to give away. So that's where the winner of this contest is going to get to choose whichever bike they want. I can't pick it, you get to pick it. So before I give you the details on exactly how you could win one of these motorcycles, I just wanted to take a moment and talk about those bikes. Now, Hollywood Run. 1951 Triumph Thunderbird with a 1960 transmission and primary, a 1959 front loop, super custom 1960s chopper styling with a lot of really cool vintage, very rare parts on it. Some of those parts include those Star MCM rocker box caps, the ultra rare, last one ever made clay cob side draft intake, that amazing phenomenal engraving job by System Neo Dutch out of Australia. So many pieces and parts on this bike. The Warbird tail light, the high sissy bar with the Maltese cross on top, the Webco racing oil tank. So many great parts on this motorcycle that all come together to recreate that amazing David Mann painting from 1969. How could I get rid of this motorcycle, you say? Well, I've got to place it into somebody's hands, because what worse thing would be to do than to leave this thing sitting on the back porch? So, herein lies your opportunity to win Hollywood Run. Now, on the flip side, we have that super cool original paint, patinaed, numbers matching 1952 Triumph Thunderbird that I've titled the Rainmaker. If you've ever seen that movie, The Wild One, with Marlon Brando, he rides around on a motorcycle very similar to this. That's something you can't recreate, is that patina, that aged paint. That is original paint, super cool. Out back, that BT and E tail light. That thing by itself is worth a pretty penny. Amazing motorcycle. You've seen the video on it where I built it for the Roland Sands coronavirus bike build-off, where we won a prize package from Dunlop Tires. Super cool, super vintage, super sweaty 1952 Thunderbird. Now, these are the two motorcycles that you have the opportunity to win. Hollywood Run. Showed that bike at Born Free 12, the Rainmaker. I showed that bike at many other shows. It was at Fuel Cleveland in 2022. Both these motorcycles featured in magazines. Hollywood Run featured in Greasy Culture magazine. The Rainmaker coming out in Dice magazine issue number 99. Ultra cool, super awesome vintage Triumphs. 1951, 1952. Your opportunity to win your choice. Which one would you pick? That's what I want to know right now. Before I give you the details, jump down in the comments below and say which motorcycle, if you had the opportunity to win one of these, which one would it be? Now, how do you do it? Well, that's the most difficult part of it, is you have to be a part of it to be in it. And what does that mean? Well, if you follow us over on Instagram, you've been seeing some sneak peeks of this new super cool sticker that we just released. And that's going to be your key to getting in on winning one of these amazing motorcycles. So how do you get the sticker? It's easy. Well, you're asking yourself, that sticker, that special sticker, how do I get one of these? It's easy. I'm going to be on December the 1st, which should be today, the day that this video is released, if you're watching it on the release date. If you're not, chances are you probably missed out on the opportunity to win one of these amazing motorcycles. On my website, right here, www.weemsmotorco.com. Go to that website. Right there on the front page in our store, you will see this sticker. And it's going to have a price tag attached on it, because to take something amazing as one of these two bikes, it's not going to be something that just anybody can get in. Only the people who want to be a part of it will have the opportunity to win one of these. So I'm going to upload 250 of these stickers into my store with a price tag of $100. You purchase this sticker for $100 and you're going to get an entry into the giveaway of one of these two motorcycles. So how does that work? Go to the website, log in, select one of these stickers, and I am going to ship this sticker to you. On the reverse side of the sticker, I am going to put what number you are out of that 250. So if you are that first person that purchases one of them, you're going to have a number 1 on the back. So forth, so on, all the way up to 250. Once we reach 250, we sell all 250 of these, we will randomly select the winner live on YouTube, who will get to then pick which motorcycle they want. It's as simple as that, folks. Why am I doing it? Because I'm crazy. Any other circumstances, I would not part with one of these motorcycles. So somebody is going to be not only getting a phenomenal vintage Triumph, but they're actually going to be getting a big piece of my heart. So thank you guys for hanging out and watching this video, man. Take this time, run over to the website, make sure you purchase one of those stickers. Heck, purchase 2, purchase 3, purchase 4, how many ever you want to do to get in the running to win your choice of one of these two amazing bikes. Guys, that's going to wrap up the video for today. Thank you for hanging out. If you are new around here, make sure you jump down and you hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.